तो हम कर रहे थे इन्विटेशंस एंड रिप्लाइज जो लेटर्स के फॉर्म में था, और इन्विटेशंस जो एक तरह से कार्ड के फॉर्म में, फॉर्मल इनफॉर्मल में हमने इसे डिवाइड किया था. सो यू कैन हैव ए लुक अबाउट द फॉर्मेट ऑफ ए कार्ड, and as an example it is also be like an invitation. This is the format of a letter. You can see the example about the letter, about the invitation card. This is the major difference you can see. So we can see about the format of a letter. Sarvodaya Public School is organizing its annual sports day. The principal wishes to invite Mr. P.K. Singh, the district magistrate, as a chief guest to preside over the function. Draft a formal letter of invitation to be sent to the above mentioned dignitary. So you can see about the formal letter. Got it? After that you can see the content, and first of all you can write Sarvodaya Public School, East 7 New Model Town, Shikhodabad, and you can also be given PIN code. After that, this is based on sender address letterhead. After that you can write the date. After that you can also describe about receiver's name and address, Mr. P.K. Singh, District Magistrate, Civil Lines, Shikhodabad 283135. Got it? This is the receiver's name and address जिसने इस लेटर को रिसीव किया. After that you can write subject, that is based on invitation for annual sports day. आप रिसीवर का नाम लिखते हैं क्योंकि आपने ये लेटर उनको भेजना है. सो जो स्कूल के एक तरीके से प्रिंसिपल हैं, उन्होंने मिस्टर पी.के. सिंह को, जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट मैजिस्ट्रेट है सिविल लाइंस के, उनको लेटर भेजा है. एज ए चीफ गेस्ट वो आए एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स डे पे. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन राइट रिस्पेक्टेड सर. You can see the content clearly. After that you can describe about event, occasion, in which you describe about date, time, venue. Respected sir is a salutation. You can also be know about that you can salute anyone. And you can write, it is a matter of great pride that our school is celebrating its 25th annual sports day on 25th September. You can mention the year. From you can mention the time, 10 a.m. at the school ground. You can describe about the venue. We shall consider it a great favor if you could grace the occasion by presiding over the function as the chief guest and give away the prizes. After that you can describe soliciting a line in reply or an email at sarvodhayaacademy@gmail.com. After that you can also be give subscription, that is yours faithfully. You can describe about principal, means sender's name and designation, Sarvodaya Public School. You can see the second example. On 30th November, your school is going to hold its annual sports day. You want Mr. Dhanraj Pillai, a noted hockey player, to give away the prizes to the budding sportsmen persons of the school. Write a formal invitation in about 50 words requesting him to grace the occasion. You are Karuna Karan, Sports Secretary, Sunrise Global School, Agra. You can also write the name of the school, Sunrise Global School, Hari Parvat, New Delhi Gate, means address Agra, and you can also mention the PIN code. After that you can mention the date. You can mention receiver's name and address. आपने Mr. धनराज पिलाई न्यू दिल्ली को लिखा है. You can mention the subject, invitation for the school annual sports day. After that you can mention a salutation, respected sir. After that you can describe event, occasion, date, time and venue. In the content, we shall be obliged if you could spare some time from your busy schedule to be the chief guest at our school's annual sports day to be held on 30th November 2000. You can mention the year and time onwards at the school sport field venue. Kindly confirm your acceptance by 23rd November and oblige. After that you give your subscription, yours respectfully. After that you give your sender's name as a Karan, and you give your designation, that is sports secretary. You can see about the invitation card. Before you can see about the invitation in a formal letter. So you are a student leader of Apex Public School, Bangalore. Draft an advertisement on behalf of the principal for a musical evening to be held in your school. You can see the format based on invitation card. The principal, staff and students of Apex Public School, Bangalore take great pleasure in inviting you to a musical evening. It is just like an advertisement. Tarana in capital alphabet letter. You give your time, venue and date. 6 p.m. is the time, 24th November is the date, and in the school auditorium is the venue. You can also give your principal phone number. You can give musical concert 6 p.m, dinner 9 p.m. You can also be give venue. So it is based on the invitation card. Next देखिए, You are Chandra Mohan Singh of Rajendra Nagar, Delhi. Draft an invitation for your daughter's Shraddha marriage. Marriage के लिए एक invitation card सेंड करना है. सो यू कैन राइट मिसेज एंड मिस्टर चंद्रा मोहन सिंह, इनकी बेटी का नाम है श्रद्धा. सोलिसिट योर बिनिंग presence on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of their daughter. So you can write the daughter named Shraddha with Ritesh, son of Mrs. and Mr. Satish Kumar Singh. इनके पेरेंट्स का नाम और सन के पेरेंट्स का नाम ये दोनों गिवन है. यू कैन ऑल्सो गिव द डेट एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन गिव इट द वेन्यू, होटल क्रिस्टल रिजेंसी न्यू दिल्ली. यू कैन ऑल्सो मैंशन द प्रोग्राम means based on venue like reception of Bharat in 8 p.m, dinner 9 p.m, wedding ceremony 10 p.m. You can see the third. As the President of Spastic Society of India, invite all its members on 10th March 2000 to a dance program by Hema Ratna at 6:30 p.m. at Shiri Fort Auditorium. Famous film personality Mrs. Madhuri Mani has consented to be the chief guest. You can see the format. The President, staff and members of Disha, the Spastic Society of India cordially seek the pleasure of your inspiring presence at by the Hema Ratna is the aid of spastic children. You can also see on Monday 10 March 2000 Shiri Fort Auditorium 6:30 p.m. onwards. Name, date and venue is given. Famous film personality Mrs. Madhuri Mahani has very kindly consented to be the chief guest. Admin officer phone, you can giving your address. Tickets available online and at the venue. You can also giving the email